The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Wednesday morning, hump day, 28th day of February, last day of meteorological winter. By that, I mean on the weather calendar, spring begins on March the 1st, even though officially the vernal equinox is still about 3 weeks away. You follow me? There's rain on the radar this morning, and we had a beautiful day yesterday with lower 70s. I think we're in the 70s again today, but the first of two fronts affects the state today. Tomorrow, at least a sliver of the state is in a severe weather risk. We'll look at that as a cold front moves in. The front that's really going to set up what should be a great first weekend in the month of March. I think you're going to be excited about that. And I'll tell you more about this temperature slide I've been telling you about. We get cooler and then colder as we go through the first couple of weeks of March.
There's the rain on the radar this morning I was talking about, parts of southeast and east central Alabama, but particularly across the northern counties. That line on the map is a northward moving warm front, which will be the weather maker today. The better rain chances will be near the front and also to the north of the front, where the rain will be a little bit more concentrated. And you can certainly see that on future radar. Notice how North Alabama has most of the rain, but we have spotty showers through central and south Alabama as well. So we'll keep the risk of showers in the forecast for today. High temperature up to about 76. Tonight slow down to 66 with a southeasterly breeze, a warm one at 10 to 15 miles per hour today. The Storm Prediction Center keeps the risk of severe weather out to the west of us today. Portions of the Arklatex region all the way in through northern Mississippi. That is today and through 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. But tomorrow morning, this is the marginal risk covering parts of east central Alabama from the Storm Prediction Center. And they will update this map at 11:30 this morning. So we'll be watching for a few stronger storms. And there's why. The frontal system that enters northwest Alabama with low pressure moving along the front tomorrow morning. So maybe a few stronger storms. There's noon cutting across north central Alabama. Could be a little fire up in the activity during the afternoon as it moves into southeast Alabama. But I think the rainfall totals will be relatively light central and south Alabama, maybe 0.2 of an inch. But notice how they really escalate across the northern counties where they could see 1.9, maybe even 2 inches plus. Friday behind the front is a nice day, cool, breezy sunshine, but really a nice day. And I think Saturday we have a chilly start, maybe even the upper 30s, but the afternoon high in the upper 60s. I think we'll be near 70 Sunday after a chilly morning on Sunday morning, but really a nice weekend. Then on Monday, I think we're dry during the day, but clouds will increase as the next frontal system approaches from the west. And Monday night late, this is the European now, showing scattered showers and thunderstorms entering northwest Alabama. Because it's March, we have to always think about the possibility of strong to severe storms. Here's the daytime hours Tuesday with the front moving through the state. So we'll see if that could be a severe weather producer. And then after that, nice weather later in the week, next week. So I've got a 40% chance of showers in today. They'll be spotty. 80% chance of showers and storms tomorrow. The high temperature occurs early in the day. Then it drops off during the afternoon. Mid-60s Friday is nice. Upper 30s Saturday morning. And look at that, 70 for a high on Sunday after a cool start. Here's the European showing the warmest day today. It shows the showers and thunderstorms today and tomorrow. It shows the cooler days and nights ahead as we get into the weekend, a really great weekend. Then it shows that storm system Monday night into Tuesday. So as you look at the European numbers, you see a couple of warm days, and then you see cooler and then chilly nights, and then colder as we get into later in the month of March. So that trend of stepping down will continue. Here is the climate forecast system outlook March 9th through 14th, showing chilly air across the southeastern U.S. I wouldn't call it Arctic air, but just setting the stage for you that we're going to get cooler and then colder.
Now that we are in the severe weather season and edging into spring, make sure you have our weather app on your phone. Do you already have it downloaded for your phone or tablet? It's got push weather alerts for severe weather watches and warnings. It knows where you are. Even if you go out of town, it will give you an alert for your location. So get that on your phone today if you don't already have it. I'm a little hoarse this morning. Could that be some of the pollen in the air? Perhaps. I don't know. Have a great day today. We're live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. There'll be another video for you tomorrow morning, first thing at 4:45 a.m. and whenever you're out and about, all the time, across the dial, twice an hour on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. That's where you'll find my forecast. Hope you have a great day today. I'll keep you on top of the weather. Get that weather app.